A home inspection is the opportunity for the buyer to identify major issues with the home prior to closing. Although it is not required, many buyers choose to get an inspection during the buying process, but there are some very helpful things that can be done on the seller's end as well. Addressing any repairs before the buyer shows up with their home inspector is not only money well spent, but can help the selling process go more smoothly and even hasten the sale. Here are tips for home sellers on preparing for the home inspection. Clean and declutter. Cleaning and decluttering the home helps to give easy access for the home inspector to inspect. Most of the time, the home inspector will not move things in order to inspect items. Keeping the path clear will allow the home inspector to access your attic, crawl spaces, basement, and other areas of the house. And a clean home leaves a good impression to whoever walks onto your property. Before the scheduled time is on time, be prepared for the inspector 15 to 30 minutes prior to the appointment time. Make sure that your house is ready for the inspector to begin the inspection. Make sure the home is operational. When preparing for the home inspection, make sure your home is fully operational. The home inspector will test the utilities, run the heating or air conditioning unit, plumbing, and more. Leave keys for exterior building access. Label the keys and leave them on the kitchen table for the inspector. Provide documents if repairs or renovations were done. Whether you installed a brand new AC system or had a plumbing system fixed, it is important that you provide documents for all the remodeling or repairs done to your home. This way, the buyer will feel more confident with your home, knowing that these items were inspected and that you are transparent. When considering putting your home on the market, it is a good idea to have your own home inspection conducted. As a seller, you want to present the best side of your home to buyers, so knowing of any issues and fixing them before the first buyer arrives is a good thing.